In the previous video, I explained how to complete the square. However, this number here, that is in the B position, was even, so it seems fairly straightforward. I've seen a lot of students, when given an odd number, not know what to do. However, it is exactly the same as if it was even, but you're going to have awkward numbers. So we're first going to look at these two positions and ignore -2. You half whatever the value is here, and we place it here, x plus 3.5 all squared. However, if I expand the brackets for this, that's going to be x squared plus 7x plus 12.25. So for this to be the same as this, we would write x plus 3.5 squared minus 12.25 minus 2, not forgetting that, would equal 0. Now we can clean up this, so it's going to be x plus 3.5 all squared minus 14.25 equals 0. We can move this to the right hand side, so we'll have x plus 3.5 all squared, which equals 14.25. You now have to square root both sides, so to eliminate this squared here, so you're going to get x plus 3.5, let me put a squared here and a squared here, which is going to be plus or minus 14.25, because you will have two solutions for x. And now we can subtract 3.5 from both sides. So you're going to get x equals root 14.25 minus 3.5 and minus root 14.25 minus 3.5. Just so that you can see what that actually is represented on a graph, this would be 0.27 and this would be minus 7.27. So if you had a graph, it would be here and here, and although you can't draw a graph with just knowing the roots, you need to know the turning point and the y-intercept, but that's covered in a different video. You know that the graph will look like something like this. I don't know if it crosses there at the y-intercept, but you know that these 2 points are the roots. So if you ever see something that is odd, it is exactly the same as if it is even. However, you're going to have to be very careful with when you're expanding the brackets to get 12.25 and know how to do mental arithmetic if it is in a non-calculator paper.